Feel like a kid in a candy store, like it's Christmas. 2007 Chevy Suburban rebuild. Got my gasket kit, intake gaskets, valve cover gaskets, exhaust gaskets, every gasket, valve stem seals, head gaskets, uh, head gasket, oil pan gasket, timing cover gasket, front seal gasket, O-ring for the pickup tool. We got everything. We got new head bolts. We got we got new lifters in the trays already, ready to go. We got rings. We got rings. We got oil control rings. We got everything. We got the silicone. We got bearings. We got main bearings. We got connecting rod bearings. Got me a new home. Got a new cam. Got the pistons soaking in my special sauce. Get them all cleaned up. And we're getting ready to put this thing back together. Hone these cylinders out. Clean everything up. Uh, and get ready to put it back together. Having fun, man. I love to do what I do. They say when you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. Peace.